Number 1. Sac vide, pas kanpe. Translation: an empty sack cannot stand. Now, the real lesson of this proverb is that you need to eat to have enough energy to do things. So, here's an example of how to actually use this proverb when you are speaking Haitian Creole.
Ah, m'pas sou manje. Gade, didin, m'pa la avò trop petit. Al manje non. Travay la anpil jodi ya. Sak vite pa kampe non.
Number 2. Kreyòl parle, Kreyòl koprann. Translation: Creole spoken, Creole understood. So the real lesson of this proverb is that you need to speak in a way that is clear and easy to understand. So now, here's an example for how to actually use it when speaking Haitian Creole.
Son, eske bien écrit ça? J'aime pas ouais bien femme connaît petite. Oh oui, grand, li bien écrit. Kreyòl parle, Kreyòl koprann. Ou bien écrit, oui?
Number 3. Mais anpil, chay palu. Translation: many hands lighten the load or make the work light. So now the real lesson of this proverb is that the work is easier when people work together. So here's an example of how to actually use it when you are speaking Haitian Creole.
Woy, gado koze? Awa nou gen fini. Mais anpil chay palu. C'est oh.
Number 4. Tout manti pa fond. Translation: the whole of the line is not deep. So the actual lesson of this proverb is that lying will not get you far. So now here's an example of how to use it when speaking Haitian Creole.
Tout manti pa fond. Ya pou quand même, c'est monsieur qui vole comme là.
Number 5. Lave me, siye ate. Translation: wash your hands and wipe them on the ground. So clearly, the lesson of this proverb is to not do something that is pointless. So now, here's an example of how to actually use this saying when you are speaking Haitian Creole.
Zanmim, sa ba fè sens. Wap kite travay ou gen kounye ya, pou al de youn, ki pi loin, e ki pe même fos kob la. La fe men siye ate, mon cher. Oh.
Kou gele pa kompran. Travay la an medem, li an medem.
Bon, sa m'ka di, fè so vle, ou kont sak pi bon pou ou, mon cher.
Number 6. By Piti pa chich. Translation: giving a little bit is not selfish. Now, the actual lesson of this proverb is to have a giving spirit. Even if the amount you have to give is not much because of your circumstances, it does not mean you're selfish. So now, here's an example of how to actually use this saying when you are speaking Haitian Creole.
Madeleine, c'est ça seulement mwen ka bay, oui? Mami, pou ki sa ou pale kon sa, hein? Bay piti pa chiche. Au moins on bay yon bagay quand même. Oh.
Number 7. C'est anvi qui bay. Translation: is the desire that gives. So now, the actual lesson of this proverb is similar to number 6, by Piti pa chiche, is to have a giving spirit. Because that desire to give will actually move you to give. So now, here's an example of how to actually use it when speaking Haitian Creole.
Hey, Wilson, eskizem. Nta bien reme voyon ti mounen bay rich na, men mbage yon gout non?
Ah, mon cher, pas de problème. C'est anvi qui baille. Nous kon bagay yo pas facile pour dire tout kounya. En tout cas, m'a dit Richna ou voyez ça yel tande?
Number 8. Chita pa bay. Translation: sitting does not give. So the actual meaning of this proverb is that just sitting there and not doing anything towards your goals will not get you anywhere. So now, here's an example of how to actually use this saying when you are speaking Haitian Creole.
Hey, Tijo, gardons cause a pa wot le pa fe an rien chade, hein?
Ah, ou konen mesye sa yo. Si anek Chita pou yon plezi. Eh bien, pi devon yon apre, Chita pa bay.
Number 9. Ou konn kouri, ou pa konn kache. Translation: you can run, but you can hide. So clearly, the lesson of this proverb is you can run, but you can't hide from the consequences. So now, here's an example of how to actually use this saying when speaking Haitian Creole.
Tim non, ki sa yo di?
Bon, la police dit bandi yo sauvé et al caché dans rache ya.
Yo konn kouri, yo va konn kache. Pas besoin inquiéto, y a venu quand même.
Number 10. Haïtien dit dans le blanc. Translation, hate a dog, but do realize it has white teeth. So now the actual meaning of this proverb is, yes, someone or something may really get on your nerves, but try to pay attention to the good qualities. That may make a big difference in how you see the situation. So now here's an example of how to actually use this saying when you are speaking Haitian Creole.
Melissa, ouais là, c'est un madame qui tchak. Mais, laissez un moun qui me bail. C'est ça, oui. La Haitian dit dans le blanc.
Number 11. Dèyè mon, gen mon. Translation, behind mountains, there are mountains. So the actual lesson of this proverb is that you will always encounter one problem after another in life. So now, here's an example of how to actually use this proverb when you are speaking Haitian Creole.
Mes amis, non seulement moi déjà doué madan lui yon paquet de cob, qu'on y a la gouvernement dit moi doué cob tax. Et puis hier me fait qu'apprendre neve m'gain pour faire opération parce qu'il est vraiment malade.
Ah, zami, Dèyè mon gen mon. Oh, pas quand même pour un souffle, yon problème après l'autre.
And now, on a more positive note, number 12, Apre lapli, c'est bel temps. Translation, after the rain is good weather. Now, the actual lesson of this proverb is that tough times don't last and better days are ahead. So now here's an example of how to actually use it when you are speaking Haitian Creole.
Hey, pas décourager. Après la pluie, c'est bel temps. Bakay sa yo pa prete kon sa.
And now the conclusion, number 13. Piti, zwazo finishly. Translation, little by little, a bird builds its nest. So now the actual lesson of this proverb is that little by little, with persistence and hard work, you will accomplish something that is worthwhile. So now here's an example of how to actually use this saying when you are speaking Haitian Creole.
Pas décourager non? Parce que Piti, zwazo.
Oh, moi je comprends. Oui, c'est vrai. Piti, zwazo finishly.
Ah, oui. C'est vrai. Donc, si pas décourager, ti casse pas ti casse, ou fait effort, ou après ici, quand même, t'entendez?
Ah, mon cher, Will Lesson, ça me fait ça. Vous êtes un bon ami, oui.
And that's all there is to it. So definitely support us on Patreon to continue to help us make videos like this. Subscribe and thanks for watching.